Right, yes, hi all, welcome to the video. So yes, as you can see, I've just started to restore the binnacle on my DeLorean. As you can see here, it's faded and obviously clearly cracked from the heat from being in Canada for so long. And I thought, you know what, this is a perfect job to do over winter. Do this, plus also the knee pad underneath there in the box. So first thing I've done for this is remove this, which is really easy. It's just held in by 6 screws on the other side, and I've marked the 2 plates as number 1 and number 2, as well as marked on here as well, number 1 and number 2 on there. So that's easy. So I'll put that away safely and protected. Right, leaves me with this. So when you look at the actual how this unit's produced, it looks like basically that it's a solid sort of piece of like formed sort of foam. When you look at closely on that, and obviously it's slightly squishy. I guess you have an accident and all that sort of stuff, you know, in the car. But that's how it is. So, and then it looks like it's just sort of vinyl wrapped on there. So maybe the vinyl was like heated and sort of pulled over and vacuum formed or something on top of it, and then cut off with a standing knife blade. So it's not like this, the knee pad, which is like real sort of vinyl. This is obviously much different, you know. So yeah, I'm not sure, but anyway, it looks like I mean, basically it just peels off in chunks like this. Right then, yeah, for the binnacle, so in the end I decided actually to send it to Lee. So I spoke to Lee on the phone, sounded amazing, price was good, and I thought, as I've saved the money doing the knee pad myself, I might as well post Lee the binnacle. And the fact that you could turn it around in a week means I can still sort of drive the car, you know, later on in December. So yeah, that's gone to Lee and it's coming back in a few days' time. Cool. Right, yes, hi all, so welcome. So today the binnacle has just arrived back from Lee Patterson, who's based in Gillingham, Kent. So he's basically like the go-to man on the forums regarding retrimming DeLorean parts. And I redid the knee pad myself, but I wanted to send this really battered binnacle to him because he is the master, you know, and it obviously requires sort of stretching multiple ways, filling all the cracks, lots of sort of prep work, lots of sort of skill, and you want it to look really good. And I thought, you know what, for the price, it's well worth sending over. So yeah, I've not looked in here at all yet, so let me get that out of the way, and yeah, let me crack on and have a look and see what this is like. And I say it took just literally a week, and that was it. Sent it Royal Mail special delivery, about 16 quid each way. Here we go. And I say, when you see, when you sort of look back and see the state of how it looked, then you can sort of see the amount of effort that's gone into it. So he sent it back, and I see this is the packaging that I provided for it, along with a bit of cardboard. I put an edge to protect that. It's put in some additional packaging, which is excellent. Let me get that in there. It smells absolutely lovely and fresh. It smells really fresh. Wow, look at that. Absolutely amazing. So what you do is you send them the whole lot, including the you know, the glass perspex plus the speedo unit behind. That way you can make sure it's all bonded in and it's all sort of set right and level and all the rest of it. So make sure when you do send it via Royal Mail. Send it fully insured. That's obviously the key item. And yeah, that looks absolutely amazing in there. Absolutely so nice. That looks really good. Nice little stitching line down there, if you can see that on the camera, which is good. And obviously I've got the brackets as well. There's some couple of brackets that go, I forget where they go now, but there's 2 metal brackets that go somewhere on here as well. So I've got those in the garage as well. But you can sort of see, requires, you know, lots of sort of skill and forming and all that kind of thing around here. And yeah, nice and neatly around the bottom, if you can see that on the footage. And so yeah, it's absolutely sweet as you like. Really nice. If you can appreciate that and see that, when you sort of see how it looked, it had obviously had multiple cracks all the way through, literally all the way through to the foam. So that looks wonderful. And of course, right, yes, so naturally I can't possibly wait until the weekend. So the binnacle is going to go back in right now, actually. So really easy to fit. Get that beauty in there, and then I'll quickly show you the knee pad as well. Nice. Right, let's crack on. Right then, yes, that's it. That's in and done. So it took about 10 minutes, I would say, to get it back in again. So really easy. And wow, it looks amazing. So bear in mind, I haven't cleaned anything or done anything or whatever. That's the original dash behind there with original cracks in. My recovered knee pad that I did last week, and the recovered Binnacle that Lee did for me, which looks superb. So the material looks absolutely fabulous in terms of matching with this. Colour obviously looks great. It fits perfectly, fits really nice. So that is absolutely sweet. So I'm so pleased I sent it off to Lee. Great price as well, to be honest with you, and the fact that you turned it around in about a week as well. So that's always nice when you get things back quickly and done to a major high standard. And he's great on the phone as well with communications, which I always love. And then pan round to the knee pad that I retrimmed. So I was able to send this, you know, to Lee, because I was able to do this myself and save myself money on this aspect, and this came out really, really well. Got a nice sort of stitching line on there. This came to 20 quid, and I've got stacks of material left, so I can redo these pillars here in the same material, but and a better job as well. I can do those pillars on the second go round. But this knee pad looks amazing. Bear in mind, it's had a big old hole in it here, and it was completely dry and cracked all around this entire top section, just because of age and being in Canada and all the rest of it. But that looks amazing, and honestly the whole lot, you know, grain wise looks superb. You know, once I've sort of cleaned the dashboard a little bit, sort of thing, to get rid of that, some of that shine off it, you know, get a bit more mattified like these, that's going to blend in, look superb. So I'm really pleased, looks great. Retrimmed steering wheel as well, looks great as well, so I'm always loving that. So yeah, thanks all, and if you need it done, yeah, talk to Lee. I'll put some details just in the description of the video, and yeah, all the best. Cheers.